Hello दोस्तों, welcome to my YouTube channel Be a Programmer में. So today I have came up with a very good update for 2021 batch. If you are in 2021 batch, you are getting pass out in 2021, then it is a very good update for you from Wipro. Wipro NLTH has been announced. It has been announced in the early morning today itself. That is on today is the date, that is 22nd November 2020. It has been announced on the early morning itself. So we are going to take an overview. As Wipro has announced, it has been posted officially on their website that Wipro NLTH is going to held, and the official dates, tentative dates has been announced that this is the date that in which we are going to announce the exam. So in this video we are going to see the eligibility criteria, basic eligibility criteria, and about everything in this video. A brief introduction of NLTH, also what is the selection procedure, what is going to happen in this NLTH exam. So we are going to see everything in this video. Let's start with the video. So NLTH has been announced and it is for 2021 batch, and the best part of NLTH is that it is an off-campus drive by Wipro. It is off-campus drive, so any student from any premier institute or one tier schools or institutes are not going to get some more preference on this. So it is basically it is an off-campus drive. So we are going to see what is the eligibility criteria first. So what is the eligibility criteria? Before starting the eligibility criteria, as we are uploading videos related to job interviews, job updates, so if you like these kind of videos and you like how we present the topics and how we tell the topics, how we come up with the latest topics, so please like this video and please subscribe. Go down and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update. So and press the bell icon too, so you every time you get an update whenever we post a video on latest topics. Because this update has came today morning itself. In early morning it came the update and we are here with a video. So what is the eligibility? The first one is that 2021 batch is eligible. If you are from 2021 batch, if you are going to pass out in 2021, then you are eligible for this drive. Second one is that BE, BTech, 5-year integrated MTech eligible. That is, if you are from BE, from BTech or 5-year integrated MTech course, then you are eligible for this drive. That is NLTH drive that is going to happen in January itself. Third thing is that 10th and 12th have minimum 60% of marks, and in graduation, that is your BE, BTech or 5-year integrated, you need to have your 65. If you are from this BE, BTech or 5-year integrated MTech, then you need to have your graduation, that is 65%. And I will tell you one more thing, that many of candidates don't have. Suppose you are going to appear, you want to appear for the exam, that is an NLTH exam, and you have about 60%, suppose 60% of marks in your graduation. So what happens, you have one more semester. So in NLTH exam, it is not asking that in NLTH, during the NLTH exam you need to have your 65%. But on the joining date, when the Wipro will join you in 2021, that will be approximately in April or after the selection, April, and I think so in April or May, then you need to have your graduation marks, that is 65%. That is the topic, because no marks are checked during the exam, during the test date. Okay. And the third thing is that CSE, IT and circuital branch. CSE, IT are eligible, and circuital branches are, that is electronics, electronic communication, electrical, and these are branches, leaving the core branches that are civil, mechanical, these are not eligible, but all the circuital branches at ECE, EE, and these are eligible for this job. And you can check what are the circuital branches also on the Google. So what are the test dates? The last day to apply is 5th of January 2021. But I will tell you one thing, when I will show you the main site of an Elite NLTH, today it has not given the apply button, but when it will come, I will make a separate registration video, but I will show you on the site that it has not given the apply button today. And the second one is that 11th Jan to 17, these are tentative dates when the exam will be conducted. That is between 11 to 17 the exam will be conducted. These are the tentative dates. It is not confirmed, but it is the tentative dates. So now let's go to the Wipro site and let's see in detail that what are the things and what are the minor eligibility criteria also, and where can we apply. So as you can see on the screen that this is a site of NLTH. I will also mention the link of this site on the in the description. You will get the link of this site in the description. And as you can see that here is no apply now option. Here is no link to apply now, but I will tell you one thing, that it has been announced today itself, that is in the early morning, and today is Sunday, that is on 22nd. Today is 22nd, as you can see that today is 22nd of November and 2020. So it will be, when it will come, I will make a separate video for the registration, and I will suggest you one thing, that join our Telegram channel and Instagram, follow us on Instagram, because we are posting all the links there also, and you will get a video, separate video also. But for the earlier access of the separate link only, you can join us on our Telegram channel, that is at the rate Be a Programmer 24. All the handles are same on Telegram, Instagram, everywhere handles are same. So let's take the overview. This is the elite national level talent hunt, that is NLTH full form 2021, is a fresher hiring. It is for the hiring of the project engineers. Mainly project engineers are getting hired by this exam, that is NLTH exam. We will make a separate video of NLTH also, of the selection process. If you want a video on the selection process, separate video selection process, how the NLTH exam is happening and how the selection process happens, so you can comment down that if you want a video, I will definitely upload the videos. And for the materials, you can join our Telegram channel. We have posted many materials of aptitude there also, that is for the elite exam. I have also given the NLTH exam, so I have an experience of how the exam comes, and I have cleared that exam too, that is of NLTH exam. So that is not an issue. I know that how the paper comes, so I will mention all the materials in the Telegram channel also. So you can see here the basic eligibility criteria that I have already told you: 10th 60%, 12th 60%, graduation 65%. Year of passing is 2021 eligible. These are the qualifications that I have already mentioned. Designation, you will get a project engineer generic designation, and your compensation, your package will be 3.50 LPA, that is 3.50 per annum will be your package. And you will have a bond of 1 year, that is 12 months of your bond from the date of joining. And if you break the bond, you will have to pay 75,000 for breaking. Suppose you want to break the bond, that is you want to leave the company. If you join the company and you want to leave the company before 12 months, so you will need to pay 75,000 rupees. And here are the other criteria, that maximum 3 years of gap, not more than 3 years of gap is allowed, and no backlog. Suppose you are in your 7th semester and you are having some 1 or 2 backlogs, then you need to clear that before joining. That you can give the exam for sure, you can fill the exam, but you need to complete this backlog. You need to clear this backlog before the joining if you get selected. So before joining, you need to clear this backlog. And what are the different, like if you participated in any interview process of Wipro before the 6 months, 6 months that happened in your college also, on campus drive also in Wipro, so you are not eligible. After 6 months, like if you have participated in any interview of Wipro or any interview process of Wipro before 6 months, so you cannot apply. Okay, and you need to be in Indian citizen. Bhutan and Nepal need to submit their citizen certificate. If you are from Bhutan or Nepal, you need to submit your citizen certificate. Here is the brief overview of how the selection process is. I will also make a separate video. If you want a separate video of the registration also, when the registration button will come, I will also make the registration button like all process of registration button also. So you need to just comment down, you need a separate video of registration also, and if you need a video of selection procedure also, separate video, I will also mention that all video and all materials in that video. Okay, so this is the eligible. The first one is the aptitude round. Basic aptitude round will be there, duration will be 48 minutes. Then an essay writing is there, that is of 20 minutes. Then online programming test is there, that will be 2 programming tests, that is of 60 minutes. Two coding questions are there. Basically it is from the data structures round, so it will be bit difficult for you to solve it, so you need a practice of coding also. And these are the languages that are available in the coding test, that are Java, C, C++ or Python. Last date to apply is 5th January, as they has mentioned the last date, but there is a no apply button now for now, because it has been announced, as I've told you, in the on today itself in the morning, and I am coming up with a video today itself. So like when it will come, the registration button, I will make a separate video for the registration also. Okay, last day to apply is 5th January. Before 5th January, when the registration button comes, you will be informed for sure. and online tentative dates has been given by the Wipro that 11th January to 17th January the exam will happen. So this was all about the NLTH exam. They have not updated this NLTH logo, that is 2021. No worries, they have written here, that is not an issue. So this was all about Wipro NLTH exam. So I have updated everyone about the NLTH exam 2021 as I have promised everyone. So like whenever update will come of Wipro, Cognizant, any company, I will surely make a video as soon as possible, as this update has came today itself in the morning on Sunday 22nd. So I have made a video as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit that like button so we also get some motivation and we also get some rewards for this. And subscribe to our channel, please subscribe to our channel, because when you subscribe to our channel we get more response, more audience, and we get more more engagement to our videos, and the videos will be pushed by the YouTube algorithm also, and it will be more beneficial for us also, and we will have some motivation and make more videos. And hit the bell icon too, so you never miss an update whenever we come up with the new updates, latest updates, so you never miss an update. And we are posting many videos related to earning money, part-time jobs, many things. So thank you for watching this video. You can also follow me on Instagram and join our Telegram channel so you never miss an update about the exclusive job updates or Wipro. Link will also be posted there also, and video will also come. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.